Looking for a Duramax Y Bridge? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 5 Duramax Y Bridge available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect Duramax Y Bridge for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list. We have the Ifp stud kit with head gasket set and grade C male head gaskets. Ifp stud kit includes Ifp head gaskets and upper head gaskets. These are made of high-quality materials and manufactured using state-of-the-art manufacturing processes. They will dramatically upgrade your engine performance, increase its lifespan, and provide it with a more durable finish. Ifp's upper head gaskets are made from high-quality materials and manufactured with state-of-the-art manufacturing techniques. They will drastically improve the longevity of your engine and provide it with a much more durable finish. Ifp's left and right head gaskets are designed to be used with Ifp studs. They are made of high-quality material and manufactured using state-of-the-art manufacturing techniques. They are designed to provide an excellent seal between the cylinder heads and block. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Dog Lift Pump Filter A4 SPBC 089 compatible. Dog Lift pump filters are made of high-quality materials and engineered to provide maximum performance and durability. The filters are designed to be easy to install and remove, and they will last longer than competing products. Relay control wiring harness fuel module upgrade. All fuel fittings required mounting hardware. 1/23 fuel lines with OEM-style quick connect fittings. Dog bracket and spacer plastic ties. Installation manual. Dog fuel air separation system featuring demand flow technology and enhanced features. Dog is designed to operate at flows and pressures beyond the maximum requirements of the engine. It receives fuel under vacuum from the fuel tank containing entrained air vapor, particulate contaminants and unknown quantities of water. The fuel passes through the water separator, which removes the large particulate contaminants that could damage or jam the gear rotor fuel pump. At number 3 on our list, we have the Dog 150 gallons per hour (GPH) flow rate. This is the Dog Ifp 150 fuel system for the 2001 to 2010 Chevy GMC Duramax 6.6 liters. This diesel lift pump mounts to the frame rail using the supplied sandwich plate mounting system. A half-draw straw is used to pull fuel from the tank. The supply side is hooked up to the factory fuel line feeding the CP3 injection pump. The return is sent back to the tank through a filler neck T. This is a 150 GPH gallon per hour lift pump system. At number 4 on our list, we have the 6.6 LLB7 Revive No. 1 kit with aftermarket studs. This kit includes everything needed to replace your head gasket, studs, and oil pan gasket. This kit will include new studs, head gasket, and oil pan gaskets. The head gasket is made of high-quality materials and has been tested and proven to be effective. And finally, at number 5 on our list, we have the High Performance Motor Mounts 2001 to 2010. Diesel performance motor mounts are made from heavy-duty polyurethane drawers that can handle up to 800 pounds-foot of torque and 1500 horsepower. They feature an aluminum bracket that holds the mount securely in place while providing superior alignment. The kit includes 2 mounts plus high-quality fasteners. The Sinister Diesel high-performance motor mounts reduce drivetrain movement under hard acceleration, deceleration and cornering. They allow the most efficient transmission of all available power to the ground and result in easier transitions from on and off throttle in daily driving and more accurate launches during drag racing. Sinister Diesel engine mount kits also improve reliability as they cannot tear apart over time and with abuse like OEM mounts. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.